In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to embed Google Sheets within the Docsie platform. First, open the Docsie editor toolbar and choose the Code Embed block option. You'll see the embedded content placeholder block added to your article. Next, click on the configuration icon within the embed block. This will open up the embed snippet box. Paste the Google Sheet embed code that you copied earlier into the embed snippet box. You'll see a live preview of the embedded content. Take a moment to check that everything looks right in the preview. If it does, go ahead and click the Save button. Once you've saved it, you should see your Google Sheet content embedded right there in your Docsie document. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please drop them in the comments below. Also, remember to ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching.